PBL 101 workshop is a 3-day workshop where participants experience a project while simultaneously designing the same learning experience for their students, their content, their community context.
Our approach to PBL has always been very user-friendly. The materials we write, the workshops we do are very accessible for teachers, and they find it very engaging, and it helps translate this sort of theory of project-based learning into reality. We have a research grounding in our work, but it's not academic sounding. It's very practical.
I think the experience of actually going through a project helped me become a better leader in understanding the student side, but also the teacher side.
The BIE workshops are like walking into a PBL classroom. They're active, they're engaging. A lot of the work is the work that you're going to bring back to your classroom.
3 words to describe PBL 101 would be very engaging,
Supportive,
real-world relevancy,
beneficial, useful,
challenging,
and also just fulfilling as an educator.